Hey, don't worry about it. If you are having issues with not spending your entire salary, start with this. Start with living off 90% of your salary, that's the money that you get to take home after taxes, and then use the next 10 for savings and investment. Oh, that's all. Hey loves! Thank you for tuning in to Naturally Candid. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Shannon. And if you haven't already, please to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you may always know when I upload. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to share some information. And you can also share your information with me as well down in the comments below. So, in this video, I will be talking about 7 principles to guard your financial health. Very, very important. The principles are as follows. Budgeting for some can be a very tedious process. And it is tedious because it requires discipline. So you will have people that will say that, oh, to make a budget is not effective and whatever because hello, they're not disciplined. It takes discipline to make it work. So if you're gonna make a budget, you have to remember that you need to remain disciplined. As a matter of fact, gonna make a budget now. See me make my 1 year. See them, my budgets are going with a bag of Schweppes. If you see $1 million budget, comment down below. Alright. The beauty about it all is that there are many different ways that you can do your budgets. Yeah, you can do your budget many different ways. I have tried various ways because I realized that the spreadsheet thing just never worked. I never have a discipline that it required for me to do the spreadsheet. So you can do a spreadsheet where you record all your expenses, your income sources, you put all your expenses, income sources, investments, all those things will be recorded on the spreadsheet. Now, the drawback for the spreadsheet is that you have to record everything. It's a detailed recording of all your finances work. And that can be a very tedious process because at the end of the spreadsheet, you need to balance out where all the money went. And so for the spreadsheet to be effective, it's best to record the information into it every single day. Every single day. If you want it to be an effective spreadsheet, it's best you record the information every day. And for me, I just couldn't bother with that. Like, it was just so much, you know. And me, I never the accounts person from morning to begin with. Me love money, yeah. But me, I never the accounts person from morning. So the spreadsheet was a bit tedious for me. However, there's another way that I have implemented in my life that has become so much easier. And I read this in a, I don't even know when I did read this like a good while now, long time. But it is called the 50-30-20 rule. So what happens is that 50% of your after-tax money, that is money that you receive after the tax and everything have been deducted, 50% of that would go to your expenses or your needs, and then 30% of that would go to your investment, and then 20% would go to your wants. That I find to be a lot easier than the spreadsheet. Yeah, because I mean, all that detail was a lot of stress for me. So you can also employ this into your routine. I will be delving a lot more into this in the NC Money Hub starting September 1, 2020. If you are interested to join the Money Hub, you can go ahead and send me an email from the email down below. If you're not serious about your finances, don't even bother think about it. We're talking about serious people here, like people who really want to change in them pockets. Let us do this. Join the Money Hub. Hey, don't worry about it. If you are having issues with not spending your entire salary, start with this. Start with living off 90% of your salary, that's the money that you get to take home after taxes, and then use the next 10 for savings and investment. Oh, that sounds, yes man, that sounds workable. And then hold on, I'm gonna finish. And then after you gradually get into the habit of that, now you can now up the money. So now 90% will now turn 80% that you're living off, and then the next 20 for savings and investment. You get the hang of that, move to a next level again, 70% that you're living off, and then the next 30 for savings and investments. Trust me, you will have all the money that you really are setting out to have and achieve your goals real quick when you put this kind of rhythm into action. Guess when you do this, it gives you a direction. It gives you a direction to go, and it gives you a purpose for why you are earning this money. It gives you purpose, it gives you direction, it gives you insight. All these lovely things it gives you. And trust me, yes, so when you actually meet one of your goals, them, like the best feeling since sliced bread. Me I tell you, yes, one of the best feelings since sliced bread is when you actually meet the goal that you have set out for yourself. So the best thing I could tell you is to sit down and think about what your goals are. Sit down and think about them. Write them down. And then when you write them down, be a little bit more specific. Attach a date to them. And then trust me, you'll just see them just happening. You know, there's a beauty about manifestation. I did a video about manifesting peace prior to now. And there's a beauty about manifestation, and it's that it actually manifests itself into reality without even you noticing it. Once you keep the vision and you're putting the work towards it, you'll achieve it. It's not hard to do. So think about what your goals are, write them down, and attach a date to them and watch them come true. Like for me, I did this vision board. I did a video with a vision board as well. I did a video, you can check that out as well. I'll either link it down in the description below, or you'll see a card coming up right here. So I did a vision, I did a board with all that I wanted. I didn't include business on here, I don't know why, but that was always number one on my priority list. But yeah, and I am here, and I know, see that I'm achieving a lot of these things. So I said here now, by September 2020, I should start doing Forex. I had paid for a course to learn about Forex, and I am going to be starting this month end, which is August. So it's a month before I'm going to start this Forex thing. Happiness and continuous love, that's right here. Yes, I'm having that now, and I'm very grateful. Thanks be to God. It's good that you have to write these things down so you know what is what. I write here that I should be traveling by the end of 2020. That not come true yet, but I could see all the time go. I wrote here that I will be studying and reading more. So I will study the Bible some more and be reading a lot more. Here I write that I would have 500 subscribers by December 2020, which is by the end of the year. But I have a change of 500 to 1,000 because I almost reached September. I must soon reach 500 subscribers. Help your girl get to 500 subscribers and 1,000 by the year end. Alright, so go ahead and subscribe now if you're not subscribed yet. Alright, so I write also that I should have, I guess this is where the business would come in, or Forex, or one of my ventures. 500 US additional every month by the end of. So you know, you write a different stuff. You write your stuff. So my body goals there. I did some more on the body goals by October 2020. I'm not reach there yet, but I will be getting there. And you have the other stuff. I have the oaths and the faith and the whole lot of shrips. All lot of shrippings. So all of that is on my board. So it's important for you to write it down. Write it down, put a date to it, and be specific about how you're going to achieve it. So that is actually your financial plan. Get it started. It is important to know what goes down with your loan agreement, especially where it concerns the interest. You need to find out how much interest you'll be paying at the end of the entire loan term, and then you can start from there with your debt payment plan. That's the best thing I could tell you. Again, these are matters that will be discussed in the NC Money Hub. I will be starting my first session September 1, 2020. So remember, if you're interested and serious about your finances, send me an email with the email provided in the description. Yeah, I know it sounds corny, I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it is pretty cool. It is pretty cool because say you start a clean slate, because us Jamaicans love start clean slate on January 1. So say you start a clean slate and you start saving from that time, go straight back to December of the same year. Can you imagine how much $50 and $20 you did save right through? And then not only that, when you have them, you just spend them and not even know which part them go. Imagine just putting them down and watching them compound. Say have a thing called compounded interest. Albert Einstein used to call that the eighth wonder. It's 7 wonders, but he used to call it the eighth wonder of the world, because trust me, so when that money compounded and you actually see the compound interest at the end of it all, man, that is very encouraging. I remember the other day I went to change my $50 and $20 that I have saved over a few months, and yeah, I like how it did look. Yeah, I like how it did look. So I'm gonna start a fresh one again, and I just can't wait for just see what it is like by the end of the period, because I normally did for 1 year. So by the end of that 1 year, what it's going to look like. So I have a big little pan, that redundancy, big little pan. Anyway, I have one big pan when we put it in and I tell you, I'm super excited because I can't wait to see what it's going to be like. So I am sharing that information with you. You can try that as well. Put in your little $50 and your $20 them, especially when the money crisp. And when next thing, if your $100 them crisp, you can put down that too. Yes, as I have said in a prior video, how to create an emergency fund. This is very important to your financial plan, and if it means I'm about to tell it 10 million times, then that's something I'm going to do just to make sure so you understand so it's important for you to have before you do anything else. I will link that video down into the description, yeah, so you can go ahead and watch that after you are through watching this video and create your emergency fund if you don't have it yet. For some reasons, when people are young, I include myself in this too, we don't put much value to doing certain stuff. Because you know you're young, you want to have all of your money to do what you want to do and stuff like that. Like, we're not really interested in a life insurance and retirement, but listen to me. It's your retirement plan and your life insurance, very important. I will be doing a video real life insurance because I'm gonna get somebody for y'all to talk to you about that and stuff, because of course them can better tell you than me. Alright, but back to the retirement. The sooner you start saving for your retirement plan, trust me, the sooner you start saving for your retirement plan is the better off you'll be. Remember, you know, time now we pay nobody, you know. Time now we pay nobody. And then if you want to have a certain projected amount to live off, because people live longer than them expect themselves to live these days, trust me. So if you don't see a lot of things going on around us and whatever, you don't know if you're going to live for them long years there and how you're going to feed yourself if you're not putting on the money now. So either way, it's a win-win situation, because somebody from your family where you put for inherit it must inherit it if you did and left it and leave it. It's just the truth. So start putting down your money for your retirement, because a lot of times what happens is that the country matches, not the country, sorry, the company that you are employed at matches the amount you put for your retirement. So it's basically like getting free money. So you put some money towards retirement. Once you have a retirement plan and you submit it to them, then we match. Some companies will match how much you are contributing to your retirement plan. So you can make use of that as well. So I'm just saying, get your retirement plan out of the way, start to put towards your retirement plan, because you never know, you might be one of those persons living for long years, or will you suffice yourself? Alright y'all, that's it. And remember, if you are very serious about your finances and want to improve your finances, go ahead and send me an email and join the NC Money Hub. Additionally, I would like to give a quick shout out to the We Are Young family on YouTube. They're all about family, guys, and trust me, you get some really good tips like how to, like the pros and cons of marriage, and them share them vlogs and all of these family oriented stuff. Trust me, really interesting videos. You can go and check them out after you're through watching this video. And if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe button, and you can also click the notification bell so you may always know when I upload. I will see you in the next one. Bye.